Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we're going to visit a clothing store and learn many different English words. Dress, jeans, belt, wallet, cap, sun hat, skirt, t-shirt, sandal, hoodie, canvas shoes, shirt, button, legging, tracksuit bottom, hang tag, shorts, backpack, hanger, floor, escalator, sock, denim jacket, shopping cart, fitting room, perfume, and puffer jacket. Here comes the portal gate. Let's teleport into the store. Here we are. Don't forget to like the video. Let's do some shopping. First, there are so many dresses here. Look at this one. It's very pretty and light, with these cute little orange flowers on it. And here's another one. This dress has a cool green pattern. Another great dress for summer. Here are some simpler dresses. I keep walking. The store is really big. Now let's look at the jeans. There are so many different shades of blue here. Look at this pair. They have a slightly faded grayish look. Jeans. Next to the jeans, there are other types of pants as well. Some are brown, some are black. They look comfortable. Look, this section has colorful dresses too. Okay, let's move on. Look at the belts. There are brown ones and black ones. But I don't need a belt right now, so I'm not planning to buy one. And here are these small wallets. Wallet. This one has a cool leopard pattern, like a small zippered bag, perfect for coins. Now it's cap time. Here are some caps. Oh, this red one is nice. It says Los Angeles on the front. There are really so many caps here. It's quite hard to choose. In this section, there are also a few sun hats. They are made of straw, with black and white ribbons. Look at this one. I think I've decided on this one. There we go. I keep walking. Yes, these are skirts. A black pleated skirt and a beige skirt as well. They look really stylish. This outfit caught my eye, but I don't really like it up close. Wow, look at those big t-shirts. T-shirt. This one says Los Angeles, and the one right next to it says I love Turkey. How cool, right? They look great, but they're a bit big. Let's check out the shoes. These are sandals. Sandals. Oh, these beige ones are interesting. They look very comfortable. And for cooler days, there are these hoodies. Hoodie. Look at the blue one. It says San Diego on the front. Let's take a quick look around. Let's go back to the shoes for a second. Here we have sneakers too. There are these trendy pink low-top sneakers. These are called canvas shoes in English. Now let's look at the shirts. This white one has a nice texture. And this navy shirt has buttons all the way down. Did you see? Yes, that's a button. Let's see what's next. This is a shirt too, but quite thick. Could be useful in cold weather. There really are so many shirts here. Look at these light blue leggings. They are very stretchy. Leggings. Look at this pair of tracksuit bottoms. The fabric is really nice. All the clothes in the store have a hang tag like this one. Yes, that's a hang tag. They show information like the brand and price of the product. And here are some shorts. These black and white shorts have a bright orange waistband. Look at the backpacks on the wall. There are so many different colors to choose from. Look, this is a hanger. Clothes are usually hung on these hangers. Hanger. Okay, let's go to the upper floor. Now with the escalator. Yes, this is an escalator. You can see the ground floor from here. But we're going up to the first floor. Here is the ground floor. Here we are on the first floor. There are so many more clothes to see. Shorts, pants, and lots of polo shirts. Really, so many shorts. Keep walking. This is the sock section. Here's a pack of black socks. The hang tag shows the price. They look nice, but I don't need them right now. Look at this. A dark gray denim jacket. I'm checking the fabric immediately. Amazing. Denim jacket. This store is pretty big. This is a shopping cart. I put the clothes I like into this shopping cart. I wonder how the outside looks from the first floor. Let's take a look together. Look, there's a playground here. The utility pole creates some visual pollution. The weather is really nice. Okay, now it's time to try some clothes. Let's go. I'm currently inside a fitting room. The clothes I'm going to try are here. Fitting room. Right in front of me is a big curtain. There are small magnets on the curtain so I can stick it to the wall like this. Look, this is how I can take it off and stick it back. Look, this is the perfume section. Perfume. This brown bottle caught my attention. I bought this one before. It has a really nice scent. Let's keep walking. These are puffer jackets. Puffer jacket. They have a very soft fabric. I already have a jacket, so I'm not planning to buy one. And now we're going down with the escalator. It was a great shopping day. I hope you enjoyed the store tour. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.